In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Charles Schwab support by phone on app. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to reach a real person for help: calling directly from the Schwab mobile app or dialing an official support number yourself. I'll also share key safety tips so you can be confident you're speaking with Schwab and not a scammer. First, let's use the Schwab app. Open the app on your phone and sign in. From the home screen, look for Menu or More. In that menu, find Contact Us or Client Service. On that screen, tap Call or the phone icon. Your phone's dialer will pop up with the correct Schwab number already filled in. All you need to do is tap Call to connect. This in-app method is the easiest and safest because the app automatically selects the right number for your region and needs, which helps you avoid misdialing. If you don't immediately see Contact Us, try scrolling, checking the Help section, or using the search bar within the app. And if your phone asks for permission to place calls, allow it so the handoff works smoothly. If you prefer to dial manually, you can do that too. Open your phone's dialer and enter one of the official Schwab support numbers. You'll find these on the Contact Us page inside the app or on the official Schwab website. Choose the line that matches what you need: general account help, trading support, or banking services. If you're outside the United States, look for the international options listed there, including the line specifically for callers in the Philippines. When in doubt, start with the general support line and ask to be transferred. It's a good idea to save the official numbers from the app or website into your contacts with clear labels so you can reach the right team quickly next time. Schwab support is generally available around the clock on business days. Think 24 hours a day, 5 days a week during U.S. market hours. If you call during off hours or a holiday, you may encounter a different menu or longer wait times, so patience helps. Most importantly, stay safe. Only call numbers you access through the official Schwab app or the official Schwab website. Do not trust phone numbers from random texts, emails, or search results that look off. Scammers can spoof caller ID or pretend to be Schwab. If anything feels wrong, hang up and redial using the number you found in the app. Never share one-time passcodes or full login credentials with anyone who calls you unexpectedly. That's it. Use the app's call button for the fastest, most reliable connection, or dial an official number from verified sources. You're all set to reach Schwab support confidently and securely.